Welcome to the Iotempire. It's your host Ulno, and today we want to build our own voice assistant. And I picked up these lovely things from Mycroft Center, or actually from Google at Mycroft Center. And this is kind of a thing where you can build your own AI kit. Basically, it's about building your own Google Home. However, I intend to install Mycroft on this one. So I need a Raspberry Pi, and then for $10 US you got this kit. There's a microphone and a speaker in there, and so we're building basically our own voice assistant today. So I have the manual, I have the pieces, and so let's get started. So insert the standoffs, these little things here. Start with the two standoffs. So secure the hat. So we take the voice hat and put this guy in here. So attach the speaker wires. That wasn't too hard. The button cable. So let's take the next one. I should have plugged this one in first into the microphone. But I think I can do that. So assemble the box, kind of the most exciting part. Hey, look at this. Fits. The things are at the right position. See? The HDMI, that's important. You can attach a big screen to it. And here is the SD card slot and USB slots. The arcade button. Mine is red, not green, but my wife would say red is the fastest color. Insert the lamp into this thing here. For $10, amazing. An hour of fun and a voice assistant. So these things are over there. So it means the lamp has to be this way around. Nice. Now the cables. Connect all the cables. That worked. Tape the microphone. You need tape. Turn the flip around. Close. Boom! Awesome! I wonder if I should use a little bit more tape here on the side, but I like it. There we go! And now we have to install Mycroft to an SD card, actually the Mycroft for the Pi. So we actually go here to the webpage from mycroft.ai. So we get Mycroft here. Click here on Mycroft and download Mycroft. Actually here, you can just download this one here. And then it will download. I did this already. So you need an SD card and an SD card reader. Make sure you have a decent SD card. And let's plug this in. And then you need Etcher. It's my favorite program on all platforms to do this. There we go. So we'll select the image I already downloaded. And then we go to the Pi, Raspberry, and take here the Mycroft image. See, it automatically detects my 16 gigabyte SD card. And then you say flash, you authenticate, and now it will flash. Good. There we are. We're done. So now let's take the code out. There it is. And put it in the Pi and see what happens. So there we go. We have flashed the SD card and we built this box. So let's put things in. So let's first connect the keyboard here. And then let's put in the SD card. So this is my little wireless keyboard for it. And it boots. That is good. And there it is. Mycroft. No, it says something to me. Do you want help? Sure, I want help. I think it's out of power. No way. Nah, no problem. Let's just take a classic keyboard. But I thought this one was nice, but... Little screen, little box, but the keyboard is nice and big. See, even LEDs. So let's say yes. Yeah, okay. And network connection. Yeah, I want to have Wi-Fi with the password. Okay, SSID. So that fails. SSID and password are correct, but somehow it doesn't find the network hardware. Are you filming? Okay, we had some trouble with the Wi-Fi, so I give it another shot. So let's just try Ethernet. So let's reboot this thing. Remember, if you don't have Wi-Fi, make sure you have Ethernet. And then later you can do Wi-Fi. Yeah, Google AI. Oh, it supports the Google AI voice chat. So Mycroft was designed to support that. That is cool. 1- for the Wi-Fi, 1+ for the auto detection of the Google AI head. I still think it's really cool to have a reliable microphone and a nice little speaker in there for $10. So go out, buy at Micro Center some of the voice kits. Oh, and it does actually a Raspberry Pi upgrade. That's interesting. That might fix the Wi-Fi problem automatically. Alexa can sing a song. Mycroft can actually also sing a song. I've never asked Mycroft to sing a song. Okay, done. Hey, Mycroft. Nada. Not too impressed. Oh. Or maybe I am. Oh, it's still installing. That's why. I think we're just too impatient. Okay, another hint. Start the command line and look what is going on before you get too impatient. Yeah, but it does detect the microphone level, so you can actually see down here when I speak that the microphone goes up. And we can hear it. So, hey!
I'm connected to the internet and need to be activated. Open your browser and visit home.mycroft.ai to register this device.
Very cool. So I have to go to my computer now and then put in the letters it will tell me. So the pairing code is L as in London, U as in uniform, J as in Juliet, number 9, H as in hotel, and E as in echo. And the name is Media Center. And the placement is in the living room. And this guy is here in Brazil, in the Federal District, in Brasilia.
Device with the code L as in London, U as in uniform, J as in Juliet, the number 9, H as in hotel, E as in echo.
Yeah, I have done that. So let's hope that this works now.
Now I am ready for use.
It's actually logging in automatically, so let me see if it's connected to Wi-Fi. So I just type in ifconfig, and yes, it's in my Wi-Fi. So let's also see how long it really needs to boot up. So before I trigger the wake word, I will check the client there, because I imagine that it always needs a little time checking for updates when it reboots. So that looks like it's ready. Hey Mycroft, tell us a joke.
Chuck Norris can make a class that is both abstract and final.
Pretty witty joke. Good. So it seems to work. So we managed to build this thing. We managed to put it into the Wi-Fi. It comes up. It answers our questions. I think we have to work a little bit on the button, but for now I'm actually pretty happy with the result. Let us know in the comments if you want to know how we implement all this and how to integrate this in the home automation system. I'm happy to show you. Until then, stay tuned and see you soon in the IoT Empire.
Hey Mycroft, sing us a song.
I'm a bit nervous about my voice, but here goes nothing. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and wool mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels.
That is surprisingly funny.